Wheel bearing hub assemblies aren't the kind of thing you want to spend a lot of time with. Therefore, any wrench slinger quickly learns what the best names in the business are, along with the best practices. Between hands-on experience in our personal lives and plenty of research, we are able to produce a buying guide we're sure will serve the general public well. To choose from, there are a variety of wheel-bearing hub assemblies reviews and recommendations, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best wheel-bearing hub assemblies reviews and recommendations from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Detroit Axle Front Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly. Detroit axle wheel hub assemblies are a great option for those needing to save money where they can. The low pricing is no indication of poor quality, though. These are a good fit for many situations and are backed by a 10-year warranty. That warranty really helps increase the value, as some premium units offer far less protection. However, the warranty still takes a back seat to the fact that this is a set containing both the right and left sides. Scrutiny is extremely important during examination when buying these wheel hub assemblies, as quality control issues are very common. Also, service life, while acceptable, isn't as good as what you'll get with some others. Number 2. Moog Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly. Moog is a go-to for many mechanics when it comes to any kind of steering work. Its product is of premier quality and is sure to offer the best service life one could ask for on street-driven vehicles. This wheel hub is no exception. It's miles above much of what's out there, and you can rest easy, knowing it'll keep you safe. Of course, the 3-year warranty helps with peace of mind as well. For all intents and purposes, you can view this as a near tie for our pick of best overall. As for the downsides, the premium pricing holds this back from our top spot. That's not to say it's not worth the money, just that you can get an equally as good product for a little less. It's also worth pointing out that, despite the higher price, quality control issues are a somewhat common problem for this particular part number. Number 3. Detroit Axle Front CV Axle and Wheel Bearing Hub Replacement. This entry from Detroit Axle is a good option to consider if you're looking to do a complete service on a budget. Not only does it include the wheel bearing assemblies for either side, but the CV axles are included as well. Despite that, the price remains relatively low for all that's included, even with a solid lifetime warranty. It really is everything someone with little financial room to work with could ask for. As for the issues, they're the same as the previous entry from this brand. Service life is just okay, and quality control needs some improvements. Still, those are to be expected when pricing is so low. Number 4. Timken Bearing and Hub Assembly. It's important to note that this Timken Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly, as well as anything else on this list, is application-specific. But even if it isn't a direct match to your vehicle, it's still representative of the quality you should search for. These are professionally trusted units for a reason. This is sure to last as long as, if not longer than, your factory wheel assembly. The fit and finish are perfect, and a lifetime warranty protects you to top things off. It's very hard to find an issue with Timken products, other than the fact that they tend to bring in a premium price. Depending on the vehicle, they can cost substantially more than your other options. Also, some reports of mispackaged products being shipped make it essential to double-check fit before installation. Number 5. Actelco Original Equipment Front Wheel Hub and Bearing Assembly. Actelco is the name to turn to if you're after OE quality, as it is the OE supplier for many vehicles on the road. That said, this hub assembly is sure to offer the same service life and fit as the original unit on your vehicle. And since this is part of the genuine GM line of product, Actelco backs it with a lifetime warranty, which is far better than what most offer. Unless you're buying a genuine GM part, that lifetime warranty doesn't apply. Actelco does not offer the same coverage to other lines. Another drawback for many is the premium price of a product that simply matches factory quality and doesn't necessarily improve it as other brands can. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.